The purpose of this mini course is to learn about how sensors and how they work, what are the different kinds of sensors. So we cover basically three aspects. One is what are sensors, what are the different types of sensors available, and how you can use these sensors to develop an IoT platform or IoT project. The duration of this whole course would be nearly 1.5 hours, and after the completion of this course you will get an certificate. I just made it with the help of AI to for a better reach and better understanding of this course, and hope you will like this course.
We live in a world of sensors. You can find different types of sensors in our homes, offices, cars, etc., working to make our lives easier by turning on the lights, by detecting our presence, adjusting the room temperature, detect smoke or fire, make us delicious coffee, open garage doors as soon as our car is near the door, and many other tasks. All these and many other automation tasks are possible because of sensors. Before going into the details of what is a sensor, what are the different types of sensors and applications of these different types of sensors, we will first take a look at a simple example of an automated system, which is possible because of sensors, and many other components as well. What is a sensor? There are numerous definitions as to what a sensor is, but I would like to define a sensor as an input device which provides an output signal with respect to a specific physical quantity, input. The term input device in the definition of a sensor means that it is part of a bigger system which provides input to a main control system, like a processor or a microcontroller. Another unique definition of a sensor is as follows: it is a device that converts signals from one energy domain to electrical domain. The definition of the sensor can be better understood if we take an example into consideration. The simplest example of a sensor is an LDR or a light-dependent resistor. It is a device whose resistance varies according to intensity of light it is subjected to. When the light falling on an LDR is more, its resistance becomes very less, and when the light is less, well, the resistance of the LDR becomes very high. We can connect this LDR in a voltage divider along with other resistor and check the voltage drop across the LDR. This voltage can be calibrated to the amount of light falling on the LDR.